Hello, everybody. Welcome to Lotus Arising. We're here with Nature's Fury.
Make some noise!
So happy to have you guys. Thank you all for being here. I love this energy. It's absolutely amazing, enchanting, captivating.
Yes.
Love. It says love right there. This place is amazing.
Let's go!
I really dig it. How long have you had this place here?
Well, this is not our place, but we've been rehearsing here for many years. This right here.
How long have you been rehearsing here?
Ooh, at least 10 years. At least, yeah. Like I said, we're seasoned.
Yeah.
So, this is the annex, the famous annex in Hialeah. If you don't know, now you know.
Now you know.
Yeah.
Don't know, now you know. How did you all meet and establish your band?
All right, well, me and this guy, it was always the MC and the DJ, and we built the band around us. And just like in the music circles that it be, it's like this guy finds this guy and this guy knows that guy, and we just found the tribe.
What are some of your favorite styles of music?
I like literally every kind of music. Literally every type of music is what I like. But I like a lot of blues and jazz. Death metal is one of my favorites.
Just to add, I think what makes us awesome as a group is that literally all of us like different types of music. And so when we combine it, it's like a fusion of different hybrids. And we can always go in and out of different styles, and we just have fun with anything we play.
Yes. Wow. Yes.
Very nice. And yourself?
I was born playing music. I actually started playing drums since I was 2. Overseas in Ireland.
So what's the music you love, little brother? What's the music you love?
Everything.
A whole variety of everything.
Yes.
You
There you go.
just feel it. Whatever the energy is, you're there.
It's like Animal from the Muppets. You just put him in the drums and he goes crazy.
And so with that I say, Nature's Fury is a hip-hop, rock, and reggae thing. It also has funk. It's also pop rock. We also ska. You know what I'm saying? While trying not to spread ourselves too thin. But somehow, some way, we're all those things within. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And DJ Rich and myself, we're from the West Coast. I'm from the Bay Area. He's from Los Angeles, South Central. And so we bring that West Coast, definitely that soul, and we come bound together here with our brothers from the East Coast. You know what I mean? We got people from Maryland, DC, Puerto Rico, Jamaica, Cuba. It's vibes and love out here. Nature's Fury, lead away with the music.
Absolutely.
truly what inspired Come My Way is love. Love itself. Love itself. I can't say that it was directly a personal situation with that one, though it was. But even speaking for the masses, it's personal if you're connected in that way. You feel me? So it was just really love on a big scale of things. Like, I love him. He's my bassist. You know, come my way. I want to see you just kicking this hand. You know what I'm saying? I miss you. You my brother. You know what I'm saying? Anybody, everybody, if you love, you know? So love inspired Come My Way.
Beautiful message. I absolutely love it. It goes hand in hand.
Give me a drum, give me a drum.
That was perfect. What made you want to do your remix, the Exodus remix?
We came across that Exodus remix by way of Eric Dez, and he blessed us with this one, you know, and Inner Sound Music, shout out, big ups, they put it out. They were actually doing a tribute to Bob Marley and his Exodus album for being nominated by the BBC of England as the most important album of the 20th century. This was a couple of years ago. So with that said, being one of the most things, you know, in music, period, they wanted to honor that at that time because it was becoming like 35 or 40 years, you know, celebration. And the label, Inner Sound Music, was looking to honor that and do this dub style, you know. And by way of Eric Dez, I got an opportunity to lace that. And we did a dub style, and it came out original and beautiful. All love and respects to Bob Marley and his family.
I love it. And, I really like the Today song. I've been hearing that song for many years now, but it's very uplifting, it's very positive. What was the whole inspiration? I saw that a lot of people came together for that one.
Yes, a lot of people came together. You know, both Nicks, you know, the two Nicks produced that, helped, you know, in with that. We had the Authority on that.
Yeah.
You know, yes.
Yeah.
3 vocalist brothers that really come beautiful with it. They got the island vibe. You know, Fury HD produces them. Liquid Shield, we're Liquid Shield. So that was released through Liquid Shield. And, you know, it's a song about hope. And it's a song about living in the now, in the present, as all the spiritual circles say that you must do. Don't live in the past or too much involved and wrapped up in the future. This is where the magic happens.
Yeah.
That's why my brother is out here today with us making this magic. It don't matter how good or bad your day was. We standing right here recording your beautiful show, and we out here, Natalia, Lotus! And we getting it because the magic happens right here and right now. And today is all about that.
So since you say the magic happens right here, right now, where do you guys see the future of music going?
Yeah.
Feel free to play to respond. You don't even have to say anything.
You want to start with the come? You got more questions? We can roll into the come my way with that. Shit, that's
I mean, pretty much.
You know what I'm saying?
Where is the future of music going? In this drum and bass, Caribbean, something
From the inner cities of Miami, with root and by way of Puerto Rico, Jamaica, Cuba, Sudamérica, Ecuador, Nicaragua, Centroamérica, Western Hemisphere, Brazil. Come my way. This is the future of music. Your originality, your own sound, your own voice, your own way of expressing. Just like my sister, the Lotus one, on the rise. We are here basing her show tonight because we love her.
Come away, never really gotta stay. For what you've done, I got some more to say. Can we on this beat really high?
Fury. Lotus Rising. Natalia Lotus Show. La cumbia de la naturaleza. Y dice, ya. Lotus, Nature's Fury, 20-something.
That was the perfect answer, and that was probably the best answer I ever got for a question. So thank you guys all for that, and just thank you for your time and being here, every one of you. Your energy, you have a purpose here. You make people feel full of life and happy about theirs, and make life a little bit better for others. So thank you all for being a smile or sunshine on someone's rainy day.
A ray of sun.
A ray of sunshine. That's what you guys are.
Thank you.
Thank you all so much for being here. Everyone, Lotus Rising, Nature's Fury. Until next time, you guys want to close it up with something?
We're going to leave this show right now with a little tune, a little ditty, and it's called My True Love. Going out to all y'all and your viewers and you and everybody around the world. We love you. So, if you ever been in love in any way, this is your song. Because it's all about the love. Right? Here we go. This is not working. We went through the struggle and burst all our bubble. We made it together through the stormy weather. Many have faded, so glad we made it. It wasn't a shoving, what? It was sitting and loving my true love. You're still right here. It's my true love. You're still it's my true love. True love is me. It's me. Love is not jaded. I'm so glad we made it. Many have faded. They love when we played it. We're staying together. What? Together forever. My true love. It's still around. Right here. It's my true love. You're still around. Right here. It's my